Is Windows failing to load because of the Service Shell Notifications module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we begin the manual steps for Service Shell Notifications module, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Service Shell Notifications module, frequently associated with localized desktop dashboards or older Messenger apps to manage the localized UI frames for alerts. While not critical for function, its absence causes the software's Alerts panel to hang or report a module initialization failure. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. If the host software cannot locate Service Shell Notifications module DLL, it indicates a corruption in the localized service notification logic subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Service Shell Notifications module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Service Shell Notifications module, DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Service Shell Notifications module library guidance. If this fix repaired Service Shell Notifications module dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.